Welcome to the Devil Dock Tactical Timepieces.
Got my new guy there showing you the watch that he created with AI. Now we've got the Aragon Enforcer we're about to work on here. As you can see, it is a chronograph from Aragon. That is the stainless steel, 316 stainless steel band, and there we're looking at the Ronda movement in the back. Here we're taking a look at the actual band itself, and here we are on the battery. It's 395, and then there's a shot of Ronda movement and the battery itself with the microscopic little screws that I've got microscoped down. Now you can see the little protective covering there. You want to make sure that's in place. There is the cover for the battery, and those microscope screws I am focusing in on right there. You can see them. Getting a really close-up shot of that. I've got the battery in. Now I'm putting the cover back on. It has a little nipple that you put in there to hold it down. I'm going to hold it down with my birch tweezers. And I'm going to come in with the microscopic battery. Now I've sped this up 2 times as fast. This took me probably a good 10 to 15 minutes to do it. So I'm not the most steady person, but you can barely see the screw there, but you can see it. I'll highlight it, and then I've attempted to put it in the hole. It's come back out. Got to reposition it. Come back again. Try to get it back in the hole. The angle is pretty rough because I'm trying to film this while I'm doing it, and it's pretty hard. I needed to break out the microscope, but I didn't. So I've tried multiple times to get it in the hole now. I think I'm going to be successful here. I think I've got her in the hole this time. Now she's in the hole. And so I'm going to bring in and I'm going to try to screw her down, and I get a couple of twists in, got it. So that left side is done. We're going to go get the other screw. Now these tweezers, or any tweezers, will just shoot your screw across the room if you're not careful. And so I was pretty lucky here. I got that right in the very first time. And then since I didn't hold down the case, the little cover, and I'm trying to get the angle with the camera, I could not get it to turn, and so it wasn't lined up properly. And then before you know it, the screw comes back out of the hole. Then I'm back trying to get her back in, and I'm a lot more shaky this time. I think coffee's kicked in by now. I think I got it back in, so I've got that screwdriver there trying to screw down. Not working. So it's stuck to the screwdriver. Gotta try again. Now I've dropped it down into the movement, and I have to try to get it out. So I got it in, and I'm trying to screw it down again with a particular screwdriver, and this is not the right size. So the right tool means the right thing. So then the tip falls out there. Oh my God. Now I gotta go get another screwdriver to screw the tip back into place. I had started with another size screwdriver before this one, and this one is the right one. But that's the other one. I got the smaller one, which is much more effective at getting those screws in. But the heads of those screws are so tiny, it's unbelievably tiny. But notice the gold plating on the movement. This is a gold-plated Swiss Ronda quartz movement. So the Ronda quartz movement is a pretty stable one. Now you can see the watch is running. I've got the micro hand squirt running there. You can see that all the chronograph parts are moving. And then there's the jump day at the top at 12 o'clock.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Follow HatleyDE on Instagram and Devil Dock NDMV on YouTube.